Hello, my name is Bernd Deutschmann.
And my name is Dominik Zuppan.
And we are from Graz University of Technology. Today we would like to show you the METIS project. In the fast-changing world of microelectronics, staying up to date on the latest technologies and techniques is crucial to success. However, finding skilled staff and addressing emerging technologies is currently very challenging for the microelectronics industry. That's where the METIS project comes in. METIS, short for Microelectronics, Training, Industry and Skills, is an Erasmus Plus project funded by the European Union. Its main goal is to provide an up-to-date education program for universities, as well as upskilling and reskilling opportunities to individuals, small and medium enterprises and companies in the microelectronics ecosystem. Additionally, identifying skills needs and occupational profiles to adapt the emerging technologies is in the focus. In order to achieve these goals, 18 different partners from 12 European countries teamed up. At first, we developed the microelectronics sector skill strategy to help monitoring the demand and supply of skills and competences. Using this strategy, we identified the most critical skills and competences. Finally, based on these results, we are developing and evaluating trainings to cover the most important skills and competences. We put a special focus on explaining the importance of microelectronics, or electronics in general, to young learners. Therefore, we illustrate how microelectronic technologies build up the foundation for everything in our digital world, and how it can help and support us in every part of our society, such as medicine, transport, climate change, etc. Because of that, we also provide trainings and materials for pupils and teachers to introduce these very important topics at an early stage. We identified 4 areas in the microelectronics industry where skill gaps exist. Component design, where we cover analog, digital and mixed signal circuits. System design, including system on chip, as well as system in package technologies and hardware-software co-design. Basics of manufacturing, which focuses on the whole process, production, including testing, packaging and advanced materials. And last but not least, key competences and innovative thinking, where we provide trainings on transversal skills and competences that are required by the industry. Our trainings and courses are designed to address gaps in all of these areas and also to prepare individuals for their future challenges in the microelectronics industry.
But how does the METIS project tackle these skills gaps? One of the main outcomes of the project is a modular catalog consisting of about 40 individual training modules spread over the 4 key areas: component design, system design, manufacturing and key competences. The modules are self-standing and consist of single courses and submodules that fit the skills needs of the European microelectronics industry. They span from level 4 to 7 of the European Qualification Framework. Let me quickly explain the European Qualification Framework, or EQF in short. Levels 4 and 5 correspond to different high school degrees depending on national school systems. Level 6 corresponds to a bachelor's degree, and EQF level 7 corresponds to a master's degree. Therefore, our catalog covers a wide range of learners on different educational levels. Based on the higher level modules, the individual courses are designed to include various stakeholder perspectives. On the one hand, university lecturers and vocational education and training providers focus on essential basics and subject-oriented topics. On the other hand, company experts and researchers can bring in industry standards and developments beyond the state of the art. All of this ensures that we can guarantee highest didactical standards, our courses meet the needs of the industry, they are up to date with emerging technologies, and they are suitable to new job profiles. It is worth noting that most of the courses offered by the METIS project are MOOCs. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. These courses are freely available to anyone with an internet connection, making them accessible to a very broad audience and allowing everyone to study at their own pace, on their own time, and wherever they want to. Therefore, MOOCs offer a flexible way to learn new skills or to enhance existing skills, which is especially important in the fast-paced microelectronics industry. We believe that this will not only help in educating and re-educating individuals in the industry, but also help to close skills gaps and advance the microelectronics industry as a whole. Now, where can one find all the modules and courses developed by METIS? There are multiple ways, either through the METIS website or via the skills framework. On the METIS website, we offer two representations of the catalog. On a modular basis, where the courses are grouped into logical, self-standing modules, and a representation where the courses are grouped by partners. On the modular representation, we could, for example, have a look at the first module, called Electronics Basics, in the area of component design. This module consists of 3 courses that deal with basics of electronics. In particular, Electronics Basics in the field of semiconductor manufacturing, Introduction to Semiconductors, and Logic, Gates and Binary Calculations. All being on EQF level 4 and therefore on high school level, and having 28 learning hours altogether. We can see that the courses are provided by Partner 11, which is Dresden Chip Academy, and Partner 1, which is SEMI Europe. Furthermore, we can also see the course syllabus when clicking on the course ID. Let us have a look at another module. The module Electronics Digital consists of one single larger course, but is divided into sub-modules. If we now click on the link to this course, we are forwarded to the second mentioned platform, the Skills Framework. The Skills Framework was first developed by the DRIVES project within the Automotive Skills Alliance. The Skills Framework again summarizes the syllabus, including the delivery methods, whether some course is online or on-site, and whether some course fee applies. Furthermore, prerequisites regarding previous knowledge are explained. Additionally, the courses can be connected to skills and competences, and based on these skills, also job roles can be linked and assigned. To enroll into the course, we can click on Enroll. This forwards us to the provider's login page, and we can start the course. Watch videos, check our learning progress, and complete assessments. Finally, after evaluating the course, we can receive a certificate of attendance that again includes the syllabus with the most important information on the course. With this, we have shown you the general course flow. There is also the possibility to search for more courses on the Skills Framework. You can filter these courses by providers, by skills and competences, or even by job profiles.
In conclusion, the METIS project aims to address skills gaps, providing university education programs, as well as reskilling and upskilling opportunities for the microelectronics industry. Currently, we offer a modular catalog consisting of about 40 individual training modules, covering EQF level 4 to 7. The courses are designed to meet the needs of the industry, to be state-of-the-art and suitable for new job profiles, while ensuring a high didactical standard.
Visit the METIS website and the Skills Framework and try out our training modules.